Here, oh, it's close. What? Yeah, my sister doesn't like that I'm doing this because she's not really supportive of anything I do. Even though I'll buy her stuff. I'm rich. And I'm like the only white kid here, but it's fine. I think y'all know. It's like, oh my god, it's like. Hold up, Aaron's calling me. What? Hmm? What you eating there, huh? Huh? What are you eating? Chicken strips, huh? I thought I'd give y'all like a kitchen tour since it's not as dirty. What? I am. So this is my kitchen. Stove, lights, yeah. It's a microwave. Pretty cool microwave, huh? So yeah, see a little bit. Here, you can't really see me. Hey, let's get you on the light. Okay, well, it's a green light. We have this really bad thunderstorm that's rolling in here. What up? So yeah, I'm probably gonna have to cut this short because I don't really know how long I'm gonna have Wi-Fi to upload this. So yeah, it's actually moving in really fast. So yeah, so Aaron, what do you think about this?
I'm terrified.
So yeah, man, I don't know. I mean, this is huge. Yeah, so I don't know, I'm gonna come back in a little bit, and if things are getting worse, I'm probably gonna have to end it right here, okay? Bye. Here, so basically the storm is here. I mean, I thought it was gonna be worse, but it's just really hard rain. And it's probably gonna pass sooner or later. Yeah, you like those lights? Yeah, be jealous. Yeah, so I say yeah a lot, don't I, Larissa? Yeah, I do. Huh? What? Y'all like that pile of clothes I just sold? So, man, it's hard trying to find another word to start another sentence. Yeah, so, and I say so a lot. Yeah, so, about, and that's about it. Yeah, and the storm's here, basically. That's all I was gonna say. Just turned into something awkward. And yeah. Trying to find something else to say. I mean, I'm still new to this, even though I have like 7 videos. Yeah, so in a little bit, I'm gonna go back outside and film as much of the storm I can. That was a great voice tremble. As much as I can, you know, if y'all can see or not. So, see you in a little bit. In a little bit, I'm gonna go back to outside. I'm gonna go back outside in a little bit, but let's make some popcorn. That can be copyrighted, right? I don't know. Bear with me real quick. That's interesting, right? See you in a little bit. I'll be out there in just a sec. Hey, it's Eddie here, and whoa, that light is bright. Um, yeah, so just outside one more time, and it's not really that bad outside. Oh, oh, never mind. I don't know if you can see that there's a lot of lightning out there. Yeah, I'm gonna go back inside. I'm gonna quit being dumb and just standing here, so yeah. Eddie back here. It's a nice light, huh? Maybe, I don't know. Tell me. Tell me in the comments if you like the light on. Just putting it, excuse me, putting it out there. She doesn't like the light. Um, um, I know I said I was rich a little while ago when I was in the room. Remember when I said I buy her everything? I'm rich. I'm not rich, so don't go in the comments saying this jerk, Justin. Uh, if y'all don't know who Justin is, he's a good friend of mine. He does have a channel, but doesn't upload anything yet. I think I told you on a past video. He he's gonna make biking videos, first person tricks, stuff like that. So go check him out. It's Head High BMX. Check him out when he makes videos. I guess I'll tell y'all when he does. While I'm, kind of giving him a shout out, I'm gonna give another shout out to a kid I made a shout out in a past video again, because I don't have many other YouTuber friends, or I don't have friends. Um, it's XX Gabriel. No, scratch that. XX Supreme Baller Gabriel. It's a big name. Write it down if you have to. Yeah, so this is gonna be the end of my vlog. I don't know how long the vlog is, but just in the comments tell me how long I should keep the vlogs. Shorter, longer. If y'all like this light, it's just the phone light. If y'all like it. Uh, I'm working with I have a phone. I'm not a big YouTuber. I think you know that. But yeah. So if is this close? Um, like, subscribe. Uh, that's about it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.